Rohit Kumar.
Ma'am, 33.
Very good.
Ma'am, 33.
33 is the answer. So there are 33 bones made our backbone or vertebral column. So the small bones which made our backbone is there are 33 vertebrae. Okay, so its answer is A, 33. Mark it quickly, everyone. Done. Its answer is A. Our second question is, the longest bone in the human body is stapes, humerus, ulna, femur. Varun, yes, answer this question. Which is the longest bone in the human body?
Femur.
Femur, and it is present in the leg or in your thigh. It is also called thigh bone. Write it in your book, thigh bone, present in the upper leg. Okay. And which is the smallest bone in the human body? Yug. Can you tell me? Yug. Which is the smallest bone?
Ma'am, steps.
Steps. Very good. And it is present in the
Ma'am, ear.
ear. Very good. So one more question is there in this question. Which is the smallest bone? So it is steps is the smallest bone. Write down, everyone. Smallest bone found in the ear. Okay. And humerus and ulna, you all know it is present in the leg, lower leg. Okay. Next question, Ruchi, I think. It is Ruchi. Who is that? Yes, tell me. Which of the following connects the sternum to the ribs? Bony matter, white fibrous cartilage, hyaline cartilage, or areolar tissue? Means this is your sternum. Say it very carefully. Like this is your sternum and ribs are connected with this sternum. So which basically ligament or cartilage present in between the sternum and the ribs? Can anyone answer? It's answer. Hyaline cartilage connects your ribs and your sternum with each other. So its answer is hyaline cartilage. C is the answer. Write it. It is a connectivity tissue. Okay. Write down here. It is a connectivity tissue. Done, everyone? Done? Now, the next question is 24. Now, which of the following is generally called a sprain? Yes, Sanjay, can you tell me? Hairline fracture, pulling of a ligament, green stick fracture, or muscle tear?
Ma'am, pulling of the ligament.
Very good. When your ligament is pulled, means like this, your bone is connected with the ligament. When your ligament is far away from the bone to bone, that gap is basically called sprain. Okay. So right here, it is a sprain, pulling of a ligament. Means when your ligament pulls away from the bone, that is called sprain. And what is green stick fracture here? Green stick means when like जैसे in the plants जब हम like उसकी stem से leaves को detach कर देते हैं, ऐसे ही when our bone is detached from our part or bone is break, that is called green stick fracture. Okay. Now the next question is, so its answer is pulling of a ligament. Okay, its answer is B. The number of saddle joint in the human body is, Kritik, can you tell me where saddle joint is found? Can
Ma'am,
you
there
tell?
are two saddle joints. Ma'am, there are two saddle joints in our body: the thumb and foot tarsals.
Very good. In the thumb. So there are two saddle joints in the human body. So its answer is D, 2. Okay, mark it, 2 saddle joint. Everyone done this? Now next question is Ibrahim. You will answer. 26. What is the
Yes, ma'am.
total number of bones found in the right upper limb?
Ma'am, 22.
No.
No. इसका 26 है.
No. Who can answer? Havish, can you answer this question? What is the total number of bones found in the upper limb?
Ma'am, 30 and lower also, ma'am, 30.
Very good. Means, first of all, understand this thing in this question. There are two limbs. Okay? Write down. There are two limbs. Upper limb and lower limb. Okay? Upper and lower. What is upper limbs? Means your arms are your upper limbs. Okay? And what is your lower limb? Means your legs are your lower limb. Now, you have two arms, so in each arm basically, okay? Understand this thing, in your right and this is your left arm, okay? I'm sorry. This is your right leg and this is your left leg. So now, in the right upper arm, means your right upper limb, there are 30 bones, okay? And in your left upper limb, there are 30 bones. Total kitni hui? 60. And in your lower leg, means your lower right leg have 30. And in your left leg, there are 30. So total kitni hui? 60. Everyone understand this thing? Rohit, do you understand this thing, beta? Have you understood this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now there are two limbs in your body, upper limb and lower limb. Upper limb is your arms, both arms, and lower limb is your both legs. In the right arm, you have 30, and in the left arm, you have 30 bones. Means total limbs have 60. In the lower right limb, you have 30, and in the left lower limb, you have 30. Total 60. So what will be the answer? What is the total number of bones found in the right upper limb? Now the question is, so now Ibrahim, can you answer this question? In the right upper limb.
मैम राइट upper limb total है उसमें 60.
Because right upper limb I said. This is the right and this is the upper limb. कितनी है बेटा? See?
30.
30. And if I ask you question total upper limbs, then there are 60. Understand?
60. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yogeshwar, understand this thing, beta? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us see the next question. How many bones are present in the human skull? Yes, now Yogeshwar, you will answer. 42, 32, 22, or wait, question number 27. So how many bones are present in the human skull? 42, 32, 12 or 22? Yogeshwar, can you answer this question number 27?
Ma'am, 22.
Very good. There are 22 bones in our skull. So its answer is 22. This is the D answer. Very good. Its answer is D. Next question, Karthik, you will answer. What is the total number of bones in both the lower limb of a man? Now answer this.
Ma'am, 56.
Beta, we did this. Recently we did this. And you answer 56. Yes, Uttam, can you answer this question, Uttam? What is the total number of bones in the both?
60.
There are 60. Very good. 60 lower limb in a human man. In the both means right and left leg. You have 60 bones. Okay, so its answer is 60. Mark it, everyone. Its answer is C, 60. Done? Now the next question is question number 29. And those students who did not mark their attendance in the class, mark your attendance first of all. Now, what is the Tejas? Yes, answer this question. What is the number of floating ribs in humans? How many floating ribs in humans?
Ma'am, 2.
Very good, 2. Now tell me, Tejas, how many true ribs are present in the human? True ribs. Who can explain me this thing? What are floating? What are false? What are true ribs? Anybody who can explain this thing? Natik, can you explain this thing? What are true ribs? What are false ribs? And what are floating ribs?
Oh, ma'am.
Right. Yes, you explain this thing. What are true ribs? What are false ribs? And what are floating ribs?
मैम ट्रू रिप्स वो कहलाती है मैम जो मतलब कि मैम जुड़ी रहती है मैम और मैम फॉल्स रिप वो कहलाती है मैम जो जुड़ी नहीं रहती और फ्लोटिंग रिप्स
No, you said wrong. Kritik, yes. What are true ribs? What are false ribs? And what are floating ribs?
Ma'am, the ribs which are directly connected to the sternums are called true ribs, and there are 5 pairs of true ribs. The ribs which are indirectly connected to the sternum are called false ribs. There are 3 pairs of false ribs. The ribs which are not connected to the sternum are known as floating ribs. And there are 2 pairs of floating ribs.
Very good. Means these bones are called true ribs, means which are directly connected with the sternum. Very good, Karthik. Next, the bones which are indirectly, means like this, they are connected with the sternum. So these are called basically false ribs. And the ribs which are not connected with the sternum, these are called floating ribs. And its pair are 7 pairs of true ribs, 3 pairs of false ribs, and 2 pairs of floating ribs. So there are basically 12 pairs of ribs. Okay. So what is the answer of this question? Its answer is 2 pairs of floating ribs. Okay. Now the next question is, what type of joint is found in the wrist? Dharamjit Sangwan. What type of joint is found in the wrist? Beta, don't cheat. Tell by your own. Yes, Natik, tell me.
Ma'am, gliding joint.
And saddle joint is found in the
Ma'am,
thumb. And gliding joint is found in the wrist and ankle. Pivot joint is found in the neck. And hinge joint is found in the
Leg. Fingers.
fingers,
And ma'am,
elbow, and knee.
knee.
Write down everyone this thing in your book. And so the question is, which joint is found in the wrist or ankle? If it comes ankle, so you will answer on B, gliding joint. Okay, gliding joint is found in the wrist and ankle, so its answer is B. Everyone understood this thing? Okay, now the next question is, write down quickly, everyone, write down quickly in your book. What type of joint is found in the wrist? Done? Dharamjit, quickly switch on your video. Those who switch off their videos, quickly switch on your videos. Tejas. Fahish, where are you? Show me your book. Where are you doing your work? Show me your books, everyone. Bhavesh, quickly show me your book and switch on your videos. I will remove you from the class if you are not switch on your videos. Very good, everyone. Very good. Chaliye, let us do the next question. Abhay Malik, yes, you will answer the next question. Question number 31. Which of the following is a ball and socket joint? Ankle joint, elbow joint, shoulder joint, or thumb joint? Which joint is ball and example of ball and socket joint? Shoulder joint, thumb joint, elbow joint, or ankle joint?
Shoulder joint.
Very good. Its answer is shoulder joint. And one more, there is a joint, ball and socket joint, that is pelvis, your hip girdle. Write down pelvis. Pelvis or hip girdle भी बोला जाता है इसको. Okay. Here is also a ball and socket joint. Now, Amandeep, next question number 32. The branch of medical science which deals with the prevention or correction of the musculoskeletal system is called, means जो आपके muscles and skeleton की prevention करते हैं, correction करते हैं, उनको क्या बोला जाता है उस study को? Orthopedics, odontology, gerontology or oncology?
Option B.
No. Yogeshwar.
Option A, orthopedics.
Very good. These are called orthopedists. Its answer is A, orthopedists. Write down, everyone. Its answer is A, orthopedists. Uttam. Uttam, next question you will answer. Which of the following is a part of pectoral girdle? Now, pectoral girdle is your shoulder girdle. Means shoulder girdle को pectoral भी बोला जाता है. Write it here, shoulder girdle also. Now, sternum is found in the, Uttam, can you tell me where is sternum found? In the ribs. Pelvis bone is found in the hip, in your leg. Hyoid bone is found in the neck. So, clavicle one is left. So, what is the answer? Clavicle is found in the shoulder.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, its answer is B. We did the names of the bones in the first class of human skeleton and circulation. So, you should know. Clavicle is found in the pectoral girdle or shoulder girdle. Means this bone connects your shoulder and arm. Okay, so its answer is B, clavicle. Varun, yes, next question. What are the bone forming cells called? Means जो cells आपकी bones बनाते हैं उन cells को क्या बोला जाता है? Osteocytes, osteoblasts, osteoclasts? Do you know? Otherwise, I will tell you.
No, ma'am, I don't know.
Its answer is osteoblasts. These are the cells which forms the bone. Okay, and these are found on
Yes,
the surface of your bone. Okay, write down. It is found in the surface of your bone. Found in the surface of bone. Everyone done this 34th question? Okay. Now the next question is question number 35. How many bones does the axial skeleton have? Can you answer this question? How many
Ma'am,
bones?
80 bones.
There are 80 bones. Very good. In the axial, and how many in the appendicular?
पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए और लेटेस्ट एग्जाम अपडेट्स जानने के लिए डाउनलोड करें कैरियर डिफेंस स्कूल का एंड्रॉयड ऐप।